Flash frying explained. Quick and crispy cooking technique. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase used in cooking, flash frying. This term might sound a bit technical, but it's actually a simple and common cooking technique. Whether you're an English language learner or a budding chef, understanding this phrase can add an interesting layer to your culinary vocabulary. So, let's get started. Flash frying is a cooking method where food is fried for a very short period in hot oil. This technique is different from regular frying because it uses higher temperatures and shorter cooking times. The key to flash frying is the oil temperature, usually between 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, about 175 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius. Foods cooked this way usually have a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Common examples include tempura, calamari, and small bite-sized pieces of meat or vegetables. Why do cooks use flash frying? This method has several benefits. 1. Speed. It cooks food quickly, which is great for busy kitchens. 2. Texture. It gives a delightful crispy texture that many people love. 3. Flavor preservation. Since the food is in the oil for only a short time, it retains more of its original flavor. 4. Less oil absorption. Food doesn't absorb as much oil compared to regular frying, making it slightly healthier. To master flash frying, consider these tips. Use the right oil. Choose oils with a high smoke point, like peanut or canola oil. Control the temperature. Keep the oil hot, but not smoking. Prepare the food. Cut food into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in small batches to maintain oil temperature. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure a perfect flash fry. Using wet food. Excess moisture causes oil splatter and uneven cooking. Overheating the oil. Too hot oil can burn the food. Underheating the oil. If the oil's not hot enough, food becomes greasy. We hope this video has helped clarify what flash frying is all about. It's a simple yet effective cooking technique that can add a delicious crunch to your meals. So, next time you come across this term in a recipe or a cooking show, you'll know exactly what it means and how to do it. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.